Choosing the right Garmin watch can be tricky, especially when two great options like the Garmin Quatix 8 Pro and the Garmin Fenix 8 are available. Both are rugged, feature-packed, and built for people who live active, outdoor lifestyles, but they are made for slightly different purposes. Today we will compare these two smartwatches side by side, going through features, everyday use, performance, battery life, and who each watch is usually best for. By the end, you will know which one fits your needs better. Welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Let's dive in. Design and build. Rugged meets premium. Both the Quatix 8 Pro and the Fenix 8 are built tough, with strong bezels and durable materials that can take a beating in rain, wind, or sun. The Quatix 8 Pro has the rugged marine look. It feels solid on the wrist and makes you feel confident wearing it during long days on the water. The display is bright and sharp, and the buttons are easy to press even with the gloves. The Fenix 8 shares a similar rugged design, but it feels a bit more multi-purpose. It's built for trail runs, hiking, gym workouts, and everyday wear, just as much as outdoor adventure. Both watches look premium, but the Quatix 8 leans slightly towards nautical styling, while the Fenix feels more versatile across different environments. Display bright and easy to read. Both watches have excellent display that are easy to read in a strong sunlight, which is the key when you're outside. The Quatix 8 Pro display feels slightly tuned for marine use, with high contrast and a sharp graphics that makes reading navigation and tight data simple even on a bright water. The Fenix 8 display also performs well in the sunlight and works great for maps, training metrics, and everyday smartwatch functions. Overall, they are close, but people who spend most of their time outdoor in direct sunlight will be happy with either. Smart features and connectivity. This is where we start seeing a real difference. The Quatix 8 Pro offers advanced connectivity, features like built-in communication tools. You can make calls, send messages, and use emergency SOS features directly from your watch if you have service coverage. This is a big deal for people on boats or sailors far from their phone. It gives a sense of independence and safety. The Fenix 8 does not have an extensive built-in communication features. It handles smartphone notifications really well, but it still depends on your phone for calls and messages. So if you want phone-free communication and safety tools, the Quatix 8 Pro gets the edge. Navigation and mapping. Outdoor mastery. Both watches do navigation very well. The Quatix 8 Pro shines with nautical tools, tight charts with data, autopilot controls, and seamless boat system integration. If you are on the water, it's like having a compact extension on your onboard electronic right on your wrist. The Fenix 8 is more a general explorer. It offers strong GPS tracking, full mapping tools, breadcrumb paths, route planning, and more. Whether you are hiking trails, running a route, or backcountry camping, the Fenix handles it smoothly. So if your main environment is land exploration, the Fenix might feel more natural. If you are mostly on or around water, the Quatix specialized tools make it feel more tailored. Fitness and daily tracking, everyday use. When it comes to health and fitness tracking, both watches are strong. The Quatix 8 Pro tracks your steps, heart rate, sleep, stress, body battery, and workouts with great accuracy. It's even good for gym sessions and outdoor workouts, not just water activities. The Fenix 8, meanwhile, goes even deeper. With training tools, you get advanced running, dynamic recovery, timers, training load and balance, and multi-sports profiles that feels more complete for everyday athletes. So in short, both watches monitor activity well, but the Fenix leans more towards detailed training features for runners, cyclists, and outdoor athletes. Battery life, endurance versus features. Battery life is one of the Garmin's strong suits, and these two watches show it. The Fenix 8 often lasts longer in general use, especially if you don't use advanced navigation or always on GPS modes. It's the great choice if you want long stretches between charges, perfect for multi-day hikes or the long adventures. The Quatix 8 Pro still holds its own, but because of its bright screen and a built-in communication features, you might find yourself charging a bit more often if you use everything fully. Again, that's the trade-off for having powerful on-watch connectivity. Who should buy which? So let's break it down simply. Choose the Garmin Quatix 8 Pro if you spend a lot of time on boats or water. Want built-in communication like calls, messaging, and SOS. Need strong marine tools like tide, wind, and autopilot control. Value phone-free safety and connectivity. Choose the Garmin Fenix 8 if you want a more versatile outdoor smartwatch, focus on a trail running, hiking, or serious training. Care about very long battery life. Don't need phone-free communication features. Conclusion: both the Quatix 8 Pro and the Fenix 8 Pro are the excellent watches in their own right. One leans move towards marine life with strong phone-free features and the safety tools, while the other is a well-rounded outdoor champion that works just as well on land as it does off the grid. Your choice really comes down to where you will wear the watch most and what features matter most in your daily routine. So if this helped you decide, like this video, subscribe to SmartWatch Radar, and check the descriptions for the latest deals and links. I will see you in the next one.